Developing news now, a major decision tonight from the University of California system.
Yeah, it could reshape the college admissions process across the entire country.
Should colleges make standardized tests optional for admissions?
More than 100 colleges and universities have made the SAT optional.
Ongoing pandemic-fueled concerns about access to testing.
Should high school students still take the test even though it's not required?
Those planning to go to college will see some changes in the admissions process.
The SAT is about to get a major overhaul.
Well, new tonight, another Ivy League school is bringing back the SAT as part of its college admissions requirements.
Dartmouth says it will once again require SAT and ACT scores for admission.
Yale is reversing a pandemic-era policy, joining Dartmouth, MIT, and several other top colleges.
A new study by the university found test scores could have helped less advantaged students gain access to the Ivy League school.
Many American colleges have stopped requiring standardized tests, but new research suggests that colleges may have made a mistake.
Finally, the New York Times published an article literally articulating all the things that I've been trying to say. I'm going to take you through all of the points from the New York Times article and help you understand exactly why the SAT is a thing that is helping students from underserved schools.